Amy is collecting coins. She has 9 coins in her collection to start with and plans to add 5 coins each week. So model the situation above with a table, a graph, and an equation. So table, graph, and at the bottom they want an equation. Okay, this is an interesting question. So what's Amy doing here? So Amy is collecting coins. She has 9 coins in her collection to start with. So that means we're going to come down here and we're going to start with 9. We're going to let Y be the number of coins. And then what she's going to add what? 5 coins each week. Right? So we're going to add 5 to it. So that'll be 14. See what I did there? I went up by 5. And then we're just going to keep doing that. We're going to keep going up by 5. Now yours might start with a different number and go up by a different number than mine. But whatever it is, you just keep doing it. So I'm going to add 5. Add 5, because she goes up by 5 every week. Add 5. Add 5. Like that. So that's what they said. They said she has 9 coins in her collection to start. So I started with 9. And then I added 5 coins each week. So I just kept adding 5, adding 5, adding 5 all the way down. Okay, and now I'm going to put at least 2 of those points on the graph. So I'll start with this one right here. This is the point 0.9, which is right here. It's the point 0.9 over 0, right? It's the x-axis, the y-axis over 0 up 9. It's right there. And then the next one is over 1 up 14. It was right there. Over 1 up 14. And that's good enough. Once you put those 2 dots, it'll automatically make the line. Let's see. Like that, it'll automatically shoot the line right on through there. Like that. It's off a little bit. But yeah, like that. It'll make the lines. Once you click 2 dots, it'll make the line automatically for you. So finally, now we need the equation. Remember how we get the equation? Step 1, we know the equation is y equals mx plus b, and you get the b. B equals number in the middle on the y-axis. So that, let me check right here. That's going to be the 9. So b equals 9 in our case. Is that making sense? It's the number in the middle on the y-axis where the line hits the y-axis. That's the b. Okay, so now we have y equals mx plus 9. And then the m is the slope. I don't know why they call it m instead of s or something. Well, actually I do. It's because it comes from a French word meaning mountainous is slope. Rise over run. And the rise over run is between any 2 points on the line. So you just pick any 2 points you want that are on the line. So I'm just going to go, say, between this point, oops, that one big, between the 9 here and the next point. It doesn't matter. Pick any 2 points you want. And say, okay, what's the rise over run between them? It goes up 5 and over 1. So rise over run is up 5 over 1, and we ignore ones on the bottom, it's just 5. Well, so then the equation, mx plus b, m is 5, and b we've already got is 9. So there's our equation, y equals 5x plus 9. Does that make sense, how we get the equation of a line? Again, what we do is we find the number at the back. That's always where it hits on the y-axis. That one's at up 9. And then the slope, the m, right next to the x, that's the slope. That's rise over run. That's take any 2 points and find out how much it rises and runs between those 2 points. If it goes up, that's positive. If it goes down, that's negative. So it goes up 5 over 1. Up 5 over 1. And we don't, ones on the bottom don't do anything. 5 divided by 1 is just 5. So that's 5x plus 9. And there's the equation. And notice that 5 is the amount it goes up by every time. That is the slope. The slope is how much it goes up by every time. And so there we go.